Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can add channel logo to your video. So at first you just need to go to the youtube.com and here you choose YouTube Studio, and in the YouTube Studio you choose settings and here you choose channel and you go to the branding. And here you can see your YouTube logo and you can change display time in the end of the video in the some custom time or in the some direct place on the video. So here you can remove it or replace. If you choose replace, you must add new logo. If you want to add, it will replace this logo here to your new YouTube logo. And after this, you can click save. Or you can remove it if you want here. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.